People would have seen our brands very visible in the airports. We've been operating 16 years, a track record of 16 years in the industry. We are 120 brand relationships. 20% of the industry is expected to grow over the next 10 years. So very strong tailwinds of growth.
Hello and welcome to NDTV Profit. I'm Charu Singh, and today we are joined with the management of Travel Food Services, whose IPO has just opened for subscription. So, welcome to Profit, sir. Firstly, I would just want you to shed some light on how you think the investors must have, experienced your services, where they might have seen you, where they might have, sort of come to realize that yes, you are also a player in the market.
Right. So, Charu, if people would have seen our brands very visible in the airports across India in one go. So, whether it's a travel QSR, your restaurant you see in an airport, or the lounges you visit. So, this could be your favorite idli.com or a Delhi street at a Delhi Terminal 3. When you're traveling, you see this big outlet of ours over there. Or you could see your KFC, or it would be a Third Wave Coffee, or a Jamie Oliver restaurant in an airport. We operate these as well. Could even be the lounges. We operate many of them across airports like Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Calcutta, there as well. And in addition to that, now if you fly globally as well, Malaysia and Hong Kong, we're present there flying the Indian flag high. So we're present in those markets as well. So we touch the consumer at many points across the country and internationally as well now.
That's wonderful, sir. But if I ask you to just, sum up, why do you think for an investor your IPO is very exciting? What would you like to tell?
Also, maybe if I can say a few things, we've been operating 16 years, a track record of 16 years in the industry. We are today, from a point of view, if you see where we operate, we operate in travel QSRs. We are there. We are 120 brand relationships. So multiple brands, like I mentioned, we have that present as leading player in that segment. Lounges as well. Multiple relationships with different lounge access providers, whether airlines, banks, credit cards. You have a tie-up with lounge access programs. So multiple different ways you can access our lounges. So an avenue there. We're in an amazing industry, in an amazing country. So a lot of tailwinds of growth there in our markets. So you see the type of growth that we're seeing. Passenger traffic almost 9 to 10%. 20% of the industry is expected to grow over the next 10 years. So very strong tailwinds of growth. And lastly, we have to say, we are a company that takes a financial performance. We've been consistent on that. We've been strong about that. We are also, we have no debt in the company, which is a thing we're proud of. And lastly, we've got a lot of cash in the books. And that allows us to take the growth capital for our development and a story ahead, which, looks like a long runway ahead of us as an opportunity, no doubt.
Thank you so much for speaking to us, sir. Thank you.